Hi, I'm Sophia Thomas, President of the American Association of Nurse Practitioners. I wanted to take a moment and thank our nation's nurse practitioners who are working so tirelessly amid this pandemic, working in primary care, acute care, and specialty areas, caring for COVID-19 patients, often putting your own life, health, and safety at risk as you go about your day-to-day activities. Thank you so much for all of your hard work. It's truly appreciated and you're shining right now. I have some news to share with you. This week, the American Association of Nurse Practitioners has called on our nation's leaders to help address the disproportionate impact COVID-19 is having on minority communities across the nation and those who are also facing added health challenges. We've laid out 4 actions that we're urging policymakers and healthcare system leaders to take right now, and I want to share those with you. They include expanding healthcare access across all of America's health professional shortage areas by implementing waivers, and that includes full practice authority in the long term. Providing coverage for services that address underlying health conditions that impact these health disparities, things like nutrition, mental health care, and options for safe places for physical activity. Establishing an administration task force to coordinate our nation's response to health disparities and to ensure accurate, transparent reporting of COVID-19 socioeconomic, racial, and ethnic demographic data at the national and the state levels. AANP is also advocating for NPs in other areas, and I want to share those with you right now as well. We're calling for adequate PPE, both for frontline healthcare providers combating COVID, as well as those continuing to meet the primary and specialty care needs in the outpatient setting. Those providers as well are exposed to COVID, and they need to have adequate PPE as well. So this is very important. We're advocating for federal funding to support NPs whose livelihood and practices have been hard hit as a result of the pandemic. We know many office censuses are lower right now, and this is impacting our livelihood and ability to practice and care for patients. We're also advocating to ensure all states enact waivers that allow NPs to go where the need is greatest. This is so important now more than ever, but hopefully this will continue on in the long term. We're continuing to update waiver and licensure renewal information as the states make accommodations during these extraordinary times. And you can learn more about your state's information at aanp.org. Again, I want you to please continue to share your COVID-19 stories from the front lines, from your practices, so we can continue advocating on your behalf in Washington, on the state and national levels. Again, I want to thank you for all that you're doing. Please stay strong and stay healthy. Together, we're going to get through this. Have a great day.